Hello everyone, welcome back. A quick question. Did you unlock your phone with your face today or used Google Lens to scan a plant or and find out its name? Or maybe you paid for samosa using a QR code at the campus canteen. All of this possible because of your phone has developed a superpower. It can see no, not like that. Not like a human with feeling and memories, but it can look at the image or video and understand what is it. The superpower is called computer vision, and today I'll explain how it work, how it work. So Raju, the chaiwala is back. Now Raju Bhaiya doesn't have to predict how many cup to make. He also recognizes faces. When you walk toward his stall, his brain instantly process. Ah, this is the student who always order adrak chai, extra adrak and owe me 20 rupees from yesterday. He didn't analyze your ID card. He just saw you. Now imagine a computer trying to do the same. When you unlock your phone with your face, it's not seeing you like a Raju Bhaiya does. To a computer, your face is not a face at all. It is a massive grid of tiny colored square called pixel. Each pixel is just a number representing a color RGB. Red stand for red, R stand for red, G for green, and B for blue. That's it. Just row and rows of number. Computer vision is the entire field of teaching a machine to start with those meaningless number and end up saying, "This is Ria face unlock phone. This is mango," or "This QR code means rupees 50." Look at these three fruits. You can name them instantly: mango, apple, and banana. How did you learn? As a toddler, your parents show you hundred of mangoes, raw, green one, ripe, yellow one, and a small one, big one, and said, "Yeah, ये आम है." Eventually, your brain built a mental model of mangoness, the curve, kidney shape, the greenish yellow color, and the way the stem connected. Computer vision exactly learn the same way, just much faster. How we show the computer thousands of label image. This is mango. This is also a mango. This is apple. And deep learning model is specifically designed especially a special type of neural network is called convolutional neural network or CNN. Scan this image layer by layer, just like we discussed in the deep learning video. The earlier layer detects simple things, edges, corner, and color blobs. The middle layer combines this shape into a curve, a round object, and an elongated form. The deep layer combines shape into feature. The mango distinct hookup tip, the apple shiny round body, and a dimple at the top. After seeing thousands of mango, the model can look at completely new image and declare 97% with the confidence. Computer vision is not just in factory. It's already in your pocket. Let's check three way you use it daily. Imagine you are on a bus in a new city and you see a sign in a language you don't read, maybe Bengali or Telugu. You point Google Lens at it. The computer vision model first detect that there is a text in the image, then recognize the individual character, then translate them all in seconds. It's not magic. It's model trained on million of text image in hundred of languages, even handwritten Hindi as we discussed. QR and barcode scanning. PhonePe, Paytm, Amazon. The little square of black and white pixel is a visual code. Computer vision spot the QR code in the camera frame, identify the three distinct square marker at the corner to orient itself, read the pattern of black and white squares as 0 and 1s, and decode it into a payment link. Your payment app doesn't understand the code. It see it, read the pattern, convert it in a URL, done. AR, augmentation reality filter, Instagram as Snapchat filter. Remember the face filter from our deep learning video? The one that puts sunglasses on you? The computer vision in real time. The model detect your face, find the key landmark, eyes, nose, mouth, corner, jawline, and they convert the 3D object like glasses or bunny ears that move perfectly with your head. It's tracking 30 frames per second, every single one processed through CNN to make those glasses don't slide off your nose. Let's put our detective hat. Imagine you are a detective who has never seen the world before. Someone hand you a photo and asks what is in the picture. How would you figure it out? You'd follow a process. Computer vision use the similar pipeline. Look at the raw image. The computer get a grid of pixel value, just number, boring. Pre-process. Maybe the image is too dark or blurry. The computer adjusts brightness, contrast, sharpness automatically like a detective cleaning a dirty picture. Feature extraction. This is where CNN magic happen. The model scan the image and find the edge, texture, shape. Here is a long straight line, two circles side by side. That pattern look like a wheel, a cycle. Here is a furry structure, four leg, a tail, a dog. Object detection and classification. The model draw the boundary box around each object you recognize and label them cycle, dog, a person, or tea stall. The scene understanding, the smartest part. The most advanced model can even describe the scene in a sentence. A person with a bag is standing near a tea stall with while a dog sits next to a bicycle. This is called image captioning. It better combine computer vision with NLP, natural language processing. But computer vision isn't perfect. It makes hilarious mistake. For example, if a model is poorly trained, it might look at the dark Chappal lying on a bed and confidently announce smartphone detected. Because in the training data, flat, dark, rectangular object on bed were mostly phone. Another other classic failure, camouflage. A polar bear on a snow. To computer, just a white pixel on a white pixel. No age, no detection. Adversarial attack. Researchers have shown by adding a tiny, invisible to human eye pattern on a photo like banana can make AI say toaster with 90% confidence. Spooky, right? Light and angle. A face unlock might fail in a pitch darkness, or if you are wearing a big sunglasses, a mask, even through modern are getting better. The lesson computer vision is a student, not a god. It see the world as a pattern of number, and if the pattern is slightly off, the eyes play trick on it. So, what is computer vision? It's the art and science of giving machine eyes, not human eyes, with emotion and context, but the mathematical eyes that learn pattern from million of images. It know how your phone know your face, how Google Lens read Telugu signboard, how a Kirana store scanner read your UPI QR, and how a machine shot mango faster than a human. Next time you unlock your phone just by looking at it, remember the neural network just looked at a grid of number and said, "Hey Ria, access granted." If this video helpful to you, do share with your friend. Thank you.